Okay guys, sorry my battery went dead. Alright, starting right here, going all the way down is the length. That's 20 foot. And 16 wide. Kind of give you guys an idea. Is going to be from here all the way over to there. But it will be down this way and this will be the back side all the way across there. So I will be here at the corner, and right on the other side of that bed where the herbs are is where it will be corner to corner. So we will be away from the shed, okay, away from the girls, and it will be away from that fence, okay. This is the other end. I know it's a little crooked, but you know, just giving you an estimate of where to be. But we decided to go here because the power is there, and it'd be a lot easier to get into the hook up electrical, water line to here. Won't have to go as far. So this bed here, all my raised beds are going over here. I have a plan drawn out, and I'll show you guys that I'm gonna have that greenhouse over here in the middle, raised beds over here, raised beds over here, and we're gonna put a walkway. That way I can grow a lot more out here during this spring and summer, and then over here I can grow all year long. Okay. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed it, but that's an idea of how we're putting it. So you guys will know. I probably will remove this fence and redo it, but that's where it's gonna go, and it's a lot easier than having to put it over here, because with the fence and all that, it will take up too much room over here towards hubby's shed. That way it won't be taking up space. It will be space that I already have and we need. All right guys, love you, hope you enjoy. Oh, let me show you guys something while I'm out here. The Morning Glory, I took all my cushions off because of Max. My Morning Glories are going crazy, and y'all hear breathing, that's Max. I just gave them some more water, but that's what we have planned. Hope you guys enjoy.